Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who That Teacher, and I am back again to teach you another line dance. But before I do, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in getting up and moving, please call 504-251-0674. Also, as a friendly reminder, this is the instructional, and for if you want to dance along with the music, I'll post the video at the end of this video, so check that out. Also guys, make sure you subscribe. When you subscribe, what happens is it comes in your email and it notifies you that I have uploaded a video. So some of y'all guys are just randomly going through videos. I have so many videos. This channel is about 13 years old, so just imagine how many videos you're going through, okay? So for the most recent one, subscribe. Turn on the notification bell and it will notify you when I upload a video. So you'll get the latest video that I uploaded, okay? If you don't know how to do that, ask your niece or nephew or your grandson or your granddaughter, okay? They love this technology. Okay guys, this next dance I'm going to teach you is called Positive Energy. It is a one-wall dance, and there's 3 little different parts, but it's so easy. Instructor, I would play this song probably at the end of the class, right before your cool down song, okay? Because it's a slow to mid-tempo song, okay? Let's get started. So, I'm going to stand on this side here. So I want you to stand over here and looking in this direction. I don't always teach with my back to you because I might have to make a turn. In this dance, we're going to make a turn. So I always want you to feel that we're dancing next to each other, okay? All right. So the first part is going to start with a walk up. You're going to walk up right, left, then we're going to go out and kick, step, left, right. Again, it's going to start off with a walk up, right, left. Then we're going to go out and kick, step, left, right. So when you go, you're out and kick on the right, out and kick. When you kick forward, step on your right, then step left, right. Then you're going to finish up with a quarter turn to your left, step left, right. And that's your first 8 count. Let's do that. 5, 6, walk it up. Right foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And if I was you, on 8, I would tap with my heel up because we're going to go up. So I don't want you to bring your heel down and then you have to question if it's the left or right. Leave that heel up. So when you make your turn, step, tap, and you automatically going to walk up if you keep the heel up, okay? Now this part here, we're going to do at all walls. You're going to do it until you get back to the front. It is the same thing, the same footwork. Your weight is on the left, you walk up right. 5, 6, 7, and walk 1, 2, out and kick, step, left, right, quarter, left, right. Oop. Now I'm used to doing it, but I didn't do tap. So let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, out and kick, step, left, right, turn, left, right, right, left, out and kick, step, left, right, turn, left, tap, right. Make sure you move it forward, okay? So your walk is going to move forward, right, left, out and kick, step. Step up on that right and step left, right, turn left, tap right. From here, 5, 6, 7, walk up. Right, left, out and kick, step. Left, right, left, right. Left, right. Quarter turn to your left. So this movement is going to take you counter counterclockwise to your left. 5, 6, walk it up. Right, left, out and kick step. Left, right, turn, left, right. Right, left, out and kick step. Left, right quarter, left, right. Now let's put it to the count. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we back at this wall here. So part 1 is going to take you counterclockwise, moving around the wall, doing the same thing. So basically you're just doing one step, one movement, okay? Part 2, we're going to do a step drag with a triple on the right, step drag with a triple on the left. And then we're going to do a right heel, a left heel, a walk easy with our right shoulder coming back, half turn. And then we're going to do the same thing we did in the front, we're going to do on the back wall. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Move right. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Right heel, left heel, easy. Right, left, right, left. If you notice, I didn't make a triple step. When I did that walk easy with my right shoulder coming back, making a half turn, I alternate right, left, right, left. From here, you're going to do that step drag to the right with a triple step, step drag to the left with a triple step, right heel, left heel, walk easy with the right shoulder coming back, right, left, making a half turn. From here, with the step drag, 5, 6, 7, and right, left, right, right, left, right heel. Right heel, left heel, easy, right, left. And we're back where we started, okay? So let's put that together, moving to the right, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We good? Now let's put both of those together. So when we think about part 1, going around the room, then coming back here, we're really just only doing 2 things. So this is a beginner's dance. It's a one-wall dance. It's a beginner dance, but it's a beginner, probably a high beginner. Someone who's been dancing a little bit, for a minute, okay? It's not for the one who just walk into the class, because they're not used to doing all those different parts, okay? So here we go. 5, 6, we're going back to the very top, walking up on the right. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, step 5, 6, turn 7, 8. My heel is up. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, turn 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, out, 3, kick, 4, step 5, 6, turn 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, out, 3, kick, 4, up, 5, 6, quarter, 7, 8. Step drag, 1, 2, 3, and 4, left, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alternate heel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right shoulder back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step drag, right, left, right, tap, left, right, left, right heel, left heel, easy half, right, left. Okay? So you're just doing 2 things. Let's add one more thing. So you'll, in this dance, you'll really be doing 3 things, okay? So this part here, we're gonna do twice. Okay? So we step out and we go right, tap, left, right, left, out, right. So you got kind of doing just a roll with alternating your weight. Right, tap, left, right, left, out, right. Then we're going to move to our left, making a half turn. We're going to come back with the right. Right back, turn, left back here, stay here. Right back, turn, left back, stay here. And we're going to do it again. So let's go back to this. So with the heel out, the right comes back, right, left, turn, left, right, stay here. Then right, left, turn to your left, right, stay here. So we're doing this to make a half turn when we're doing 4 of those. So when we come back to the right, with the right, we make a quarter turn. Come back with the left, stay there at that wall. Come back with your right, make your quarter turn to your left. Come back with your left, stay there at your wall, because we're making a half turn. Okay, so let's roll out. It's 1, 2, 3, tap, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap out on 8 so you can come back with that right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, that's an 8 count. Now we're going to do the same thing again at this wall here. Same thing, roll out. 1, 2, 3, tap, 4, 5, 6, 7, out, 8. Same thing I did on the right, I did on the left. My right heel is out, I'm going to my left. Right back, 1 and 2, that's a quarter turn. Left back, 3 and 4. Stay back, stay here. We're going to go right back, 1 and 2, make that quarter turn to your left. Left back, 3 and 4, and we add our wall. End of dance. That was 3 parts, we getting ready to put them together. So part 1, you do 4 times at all 4 walls. Part 2, you do at the front and the back wall. Part 3, you do it at front and back wall. And you're only doing three things, yes? So, here we go. 5, 6 with the walk up. Here we go. 1, 2, out, 3, kick, 4, up, 5, 6, left, 7, 8. Walk, 1, 2, out, 3, kick, 4, up, 5, 6, quarter left, 7, 8. Walk, 1, 2, out, 3, kick, 4, up, 5, 6, quarter left, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, out, 3, kick, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step drag. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, heel. It's 1, 2, 3, easy half. Right, left, Step James Brown. Just step drag triple. 1, 2, 3, and 4, left, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right here. 1, 2, left, 3, 4, easy. 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll. 1, 2, 3, tap, left, and 5, 6, 7, out, right. It's 1 and 2. Turn 3, stay here. Then 6, 7, and 8. Roll. 1, 2, 3, tap, 4, 5, 6, 7, out, 8. Right back. 1 and 2, 3, stay here. Turn 5 and 6, 7, and 8. Now, when I'm in on 8, my last step is on the left, and I walk up. Start with the walk up. Okay? That's positive energy. It's a 1-wall dance. There's 3 small parts. Instructor, challenge your beginners to learn this dance. They've been in your class for a minute. Trust me, they can do this dance. Leave me a comment, give me a like, and let me know what you think. Those who have been leaving comments, I appreciate you. Also, there's someone who say, why you don't teach at the back wall? The back wall is not always the better option, okay? Sometimes when I teach from the side wall, it's like we're teaching that person, you're dancing next to me, and you never lose sight of my footwork, okay? So say for instance, this is why the back wall isn't the best option. So the part where I did the walk easy, I did right, left, right, left. If I was teaching at this back wall with my back to you, now you're looking back at me, at the camera, okay, to do the next part. But check this out, turn back around. So we're at the side wall, right? When I do my walk easy, half turn, right, left, right, left. Look at there. You never lost sight of me. We still dancing next to each other. Okay, so sometimes the back wall isn't the best option. Whenever I'm teaching a line dance, I assess that. I'm assessing what is the best wall to teach. I do the same thing in my class. Sometimes I'll change up the wall just to show that part. I don't always teach with my back to the class. So instructor, you can take that information. If you can apply that and you feel like it's necessary, do that. But I'll change up my wall just so my people can see my footwork, okay? Enough said. So thank you guys. I appreciate your support. Make sure you check out the demo so we can dance together. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And guys, subscribe and hit the notification button so these videos can come looking for you like, girl, hello. She uploaded a video. You don't have to go look for it. It will look for you. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.